Imagine a world where cars don't crawl off assembly lines. They explode into existence every 30 seconds. Where China's factory empire, once untouchable, suddenly looks like a dinosaur grinding through 2-minute cycles, while Tesla laps the planet at warp speed. For decades, China owned manufacturing. Endless plants, millions of workers, 24/7 blitzkriegs pumping vehicles faster and cheaper than anyone dared dream. Their elite lines hit one car every 120 seconds, a gold standard. Then Elon Musk and Tesla didn't just compete. They rewrote reality. Musk dropped the bombshell. Gigapress 2.0 cranks complete cars in under half a minute. Not 10% faster. Not double. Annihilating speed that makes auto giants blink in disbelief. Picture it, a gleaming EV rolling hot every 30 seconds. Humans banned from the zone for sheer velocity. China's best? Still huffing at nearly 2 minutes per unit despite scale godsends. Hundreds of factories, robot armies, shift marathons. But scale built on cracks. Old school chaos of 100+ steps per car, weld failures. Human fumbles, halting lines for hours. Tesla? Pure inversion. Strip humans for safety. Slash robot herds by hundreds. Vaporize thousands of welds. Birth a sterile speed corridor, where giga casting rules supreme. This isn't evolution, it's manufacturing Armageddon. And Gigapress 2.0 is ground zero. What makes this beast legendary? Gigapress already reigns as Earth's die-casting overlord, 2 stories tall, forging elephantine EV underbodies in heartbeats. Rivals salivate. Volvo just unleashed a 9,000-tonner in Slovakia, chasing efficiency ghosts. But Tesla? Invented it. Weaponized it first for Model Y, sparked global panic as competitors scrambled. Musk's genius? Relentless upgrades. Now Gigapress 2.0 storms in with 50,000 tons clamping force. 8.5x the 6,200-ton Model Y monster. Not bigger. Fundamentally smarter. This colossus berths entire vehicle underbodies in one apocalyptic pour. No seams, no weak points. Precision engineered for Model 2, the $29,990 EV Thunderbolt targeting mid-2026 launch. Musk projects 30 to 40 million units yearly, obliterating Model 3/Y volumes combined. Early doubters sneered at Elon hype. Then leaks hit. Next-gen press prototypes for next-generation vehicles. Skepticism? Dust. Model 2 design shrouded, but whispers scream revolution. Compact hatchback defying cheap car cliches. Production blitzing Model Y paces into push-button EV oblivion. We've hunted this affordable Tesla grail for years. Blueprints shifted, projects axed, Phoenix risen. Now, ironclad. Model 2 shares 3/Y lines, but spurns the 6,000-ton press. Remember Model Y's quake? 40% cost plunge, swapping 70 intricate parts for 2 titanic aluminum castings, fused to structural battery packs. Weld hull banished. Lines flew. Model 2 goes harder. Ultra-compact with micro-overhangs front/rear. Trunk minimized for seamless single-piece underbody utopia. Old press? Outgunned. Enter 2.0, the real Leviathan. Musk's all-hands leak. We could do like 5 underbodies at a time or something. 5 per cycle? Auto industry extinction event. 50,000 tons doesn't squeeze molds. It defies physics, birthing lighter, stiffer, unbreakable chassis from one molten heartbeat. No welding dozens of fiddly bits. Costs crater. $29,990? Not fantasy, mathematical certainty. But how does this sorcery unfold? Let's dissect Gigapress 2.0's molten ballet, step by thunderous step, revealing why it's not just fast, it's impossibly flawless. Phase 1. Material alchemy. Elite aluminum alloy virgin purity blended with recycled castings for eco-fury. Blasts to 850 degrees Celsius. Dual furnaces orchestrate. Gas inferno for raw melt power. Electric cradle for thermal precision. Why dual? Non-stop flow, oxidation crushed, material purity hitting aerospace grades. Think volcano heart fed by twin suns, endless, flawless molten rivers. Phase 2, mold sanctuary. Robots mist soybean oil veils, Slick armor preventing metal adhesion. Shielding dyes from thermal Armageddon. Vacuum beasts devour every air molecule, banishing bubbles that birth cracks. Precision dyes laser-etched, await like guillotines. Phase 3. Injection apocalypse. Chamber floods with 850 degrees Celsius plasma. Piston turbocharged cannon. Hurls metal at hypersonic velocities. Milliseconds later. Molds brim full, pressure peaking at extremes only 50,000 tons can tame. No leaks. No flaws. Pure fusion. Phase 4. Solidification forge. Even cooling locks molecular perfection. Strength, uniformity. Eject at 500 degrees Celsius into cryogenic water plunge. Quench shock. Hardens alloy to battleship tensile specs. Surface armor impenetrable. Time? Slashed. Defects? Eradicated. Properties? God tier. Phase 5. Quality inquisition. X-ray tomography rips internals bare, microfractures, voids hunted to oblivion. Fail? Recycle. Pass? Glory. 50,000-ton clamp ensures zero pressure cracks under injection hellfire. Phase 6. Green resurrection. Trimmings, sprues? Instantly remelted, zero waste. Costs gutted 20 to 30%. Sustainability meets savagery. Phase 7. Chassis symphonic assembly. Robot legions mate giants into skeletal frames. Micron precision. Single cast witchcraft axes traditional nightmares. 80% fewer welds, mills, steps. Model 2? Mere 90 structural parts. 60% below Model Y's 200 plus. Assembly? Lightning war. This isn't machinery, it's manifesto. Old presses coughed 1 chassis per cycle. 2.0? 5. Raw force redefines cars. Lighter by 10 to 20%. Stiffer 30%. Durable eternally. For compact Model 2, its cheat code, chassis borne whole costs atomized. Model 2's veil? Teasing apocalypse. Tesla's hatchback debut storms Europe/China markets, craving agile EVs. Exterior? Radical. Dagger-sharp headlights evict horizontal bars for predatory snarl. Tesla DNA, sleek aero, glass-heavy, but mass-tuned aggression. Battery sorcery. CATL LFP revolution. Cheaper than NMC, denser than Legends. 500 kilometers range, 5 to 80% charge in 15 minutes, Arctic-proof. 300-mile reality under $30,000? Budget rivals vaporized, range anxiety extinct. Interior gospel, minimalist creed, budget blade. October 5th, 11-inch touchscreen conquers NAV, voice AI, streaming, FSD light. Not 15 luxury. Cloth thrones, no vegan leather slash-eaters, skipped panorama glass, basic audio, no mood lights. Essentials eternal. Autopilot cams, robo-taxi, neural net ready. Forge? Fremont Resurrection, not Giga Texas. Model 3/Y Mythopixel compacts. U.S. tax honey, supply armor. Made USA Halo for domestic dominance. Gigapress 2.0 unleashes Tesla's masterstroke. Warp speed masses at premium quality. From China's throne to Tesla's tempo, EV democracy dawns. Model 2 floods continents, rewriting who drives electric future. Battery wizardry. CATL LFP cells. Budget kings reborn denser, tougher. 500 kilometers range, 5 to 80% in 15 minutes, cold proof. 300-mile legs, under $30,000? Rival crusher, anxiety assassin. Cabin? Spartan chic, October 5th, 11-inch screen masters, NAV, voice fun assists. Cloth seats, no heaters / glass roof / audio frills / lights. Core stays, autopilot cams for robo-taxi dreams. Fremont factory, revival, not Texas. Model 3 vet handles compacts, U.S. incentives, chain steel, made USA badge. Revolution unleashed. Gigapress 2.0 isn't machinery, it's manifesto. Warp production, gut costs, exalt quality. Model 2 storms masses, U.S., Asia, Europe, EV democracy dawning. From China's throne to Tesla's tempo, manufacturing reborn.